Yeah, this week USD JPY Technical Analysis. See last week what we expected is fell down. Okay, this week maybe it will give any correction. Initially can go buy setup, any buy setup. Otherwise, see how it is correcting like this. So fall immediately, then it's correcting up to there. Maybe it will go up to here also. If we'll go a little bit, given so many, anything like this, it will go up. Otherwise, it will go like this. It will come like this. Initially, look for buy setup here. Once you reach this one, then if it will go correctively like this, then it will fall again. It will fall again. Initially, look for buy setup. If he is going correctively like this, slowly, then close the buy setup and look for the sell setup. Okay, thank you. If I take Fibonacci from here also, see, maybe look like this, just look for idea. Okay, around this zone 50 or 618, 0618 or 71, yeah, like this. If you corrective like that, then close here, buy setup, and then look for sell setup. Okay.